Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. The result is superior performance throughout the life cycle of your equipment, performance that puts you ahead of competition. Here we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on hygienic Alfa Laval Frontline and Alfa Laval Baseline gasketed plate heat exchangers using genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Remember, always read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. Also, please refer to the documentation that came with your heat exchanger to ensure that you order the right parts for service and maintenance. To maintain the Alfa Laval Frontline or Alfa Laval Baseline gasketed plate heat exchanger, these tools are required. How to change gaskets. First, remove the old gaskets. Make sure that all sealing surfaces are dry, clean, and free of foreign matter such as fat or grease. Now attach the Alfa Laval clip-on gasket to the plate. Secure the gasket tabs under the edge of the plate. Repeat the same procedure, changing the gaskets on all plates that require regasketing. There is a designated gasket for end plate 2 plates. However, if the end plate 2 gasket is not available, it is possible to make one by using 2 regular channel plate gaskets. Cut the 2 channel plate gaskets in half. Use the 2 pieces with complete ring gaskets. The clips and connection beams must be removed on one of the halves. Tape the 2 halves of the gaskets that you cut together. We recommend that you use GC1 double adhesive tape. Remember, do not put any glue or tape in the ring gasket areas. The transition plate on the Alfa Laval Baseline is the last plate in each plate pack if it is a multi-section unit or has connections on the pressure plate. This plate has a larger porthole than the other plates in order to accommodate ring gaskets and collars. We recommend that you buy a new transition plate from Alfa Laval. If not, be sure to use GC5 FDA-approved glue to affix the ring gasket and collar to the plate. New connection gaskets are also required on the frame plate, pressure plate, connection plates, and on all connections. Please make a note of and follow these following special instructions. This is the correct way to mount the Alfa Laval Clip 3 gasket. The Alfa Laval Clip 8 wide stream plate uses regular Clip 8 gaskets. However, they need to be modified in order to fit the wide stream plate. Cut away the connection beams closest to the center of the plate. For large Alfa Laval Clip 15 plates, we recommend hanging the gaskets at least 24 hours prior to mounting them, or lay them flat on a table to ensure the gaskets maintain the correct shape. When mounting Alfa Laval Clip 15 gaskets, the upper and lower connection beams must be affixed with GC1 tape. After mounting the new gaskets, stack all of the plates to allow the gaskets to settle into the gasket grooves. When rehanging the plate in the unit, pay close attention to the lower diagonal to ensure that it is correctly fitted in the gasket groove.